Hey everyone, it's Mark Huber from SuccessOnTheFly.com with a quick explainer video. As you may know, LinkedIn now has a QR code, and here's how to get yours. At the top of the search, you'll see right here, you'll click and click on My Code. So there's mine. I'm going to save this to the gallery. So it's being saved. Then I'm going to go over here to show how the QR code works. And very simply, you can enable camera access, or you can add code from gallery, which I've just done. So let me bring it up from the gallery. And there it is. So immediately as it populates into my smartphone camera, it goes directly to my LinkedIn profile. So here we are on my LinkedIn profile. So how cool is that? So you should download your QR code and share it. Especially works well for events. When you're meeting someone new, share QR codes so that you can find out more about the other person and keep in touch. I've taken this one step further, and I've encouraging people on my LinkedIn to follow up on a free report, which are 9 top reasons why you need Messenger in your business today. Now, this link is a copy and paste link. But the reason I have it is because I want people to take action right away and to learn more about myself and the goods and services that I have and that I provide. And it takes a static page and translates it into a user experience. And it's an interactive user experience that utilizes the Facebook platform. Anyway, just wanted to shoot this quick video and hope that you find it of use. So download your QR code and start sharing. And don't forget, make sure that your LinkedIn profile is updated. We've got some good actionable information that your prospective ideal clients can access immediately to find out more about you, and that should translate into greater sales more quickly and efficiently, and that's what it's all about. All the very best of continued success. If I can be of help, I work with people who want to include messenger marketing in their existing marketing stack so that they can add to their bottom line and drive leads and sales fast. Look forward to chatting with you, find out what's on your mind. Always up for a chat about messenger messaging and what I can show you and tell you will literally blow your mind, but in a good way. Until next time, all the very best of continued success. Goodbye for now.